BA Medical Sociology, 5th semester, University of Mysore, 5th sem, Unit 1, Medical Sociology. Topic is Sociology of Disease, Meaning and Significance. Recap of previous class. In the previous class, we have learned about the meaning and significance of health and how it links with sociology. Learning objective is students will understand meaning of sociology of disease. Session outcome is students will be able to appreciate the different connotations attributed to the concept of health. Content sociology of disease, meaning of disease, significance of sociology of disease, references, multiple choice questions. Sociology of disease, meaning the term disease means lack of ease or comfort, thus underlining the fact that health is characterized by a sense of well being. Disease is a universal phenomenon. From the functionalist view, it can be said that disease is a social fact. It is experienced by all societies capable of existing external constraints on the behavior of individuals. The sociology of disease covers sociological pathology, reasons for seeking particular types of medical aid, and patient compliance or non compliance with medical regimes. This aspect of sociology differs from medical sociology in that this branch of sociology discusses health and illness in relation to social institutions such as family, employment, and school. The sociology of disease limits its concern to the patient practitioner relationship and the role of health professionals in society. Disease is considered an adverse physical state consisting of a physiological dysfunction within an individual as compared to disease. From a sociological point of view, disease is considered as a social phenomenon occurring in all societies, Cockerham and Ritchie. The simplest definition of eye disease that disease is just the opposite of health, that is, any deviation from normal functioning or state of complete physical, social, and mental well being. Significance of sociology of disease. It is an objective condition. This implies that it can be empirically defined. A social problem exists as a condition that can be verified. Even when subjective interpretation may be required, a social problem is an evidence based problem, not just mere perception of an individual, but a general knowledge that is usually definite. It has social etiology or could be linked to it. This implies that a social problem emanates from the pattern of social interaction, organization, association, or simply is engendered by social conditions. It poses social damage. A social problem often incapacitates the individual in a society. As poverty prevents individuals from satisfying basic needs, so too health problems prevent individuals from functioning effectively as members of society. It affects the collectively. A social problem is different from a personal problem in that the former affects a substantial number of people in the social system. Health problems are ubiquitous like other problems such as crime and poverty. It requires social action. Social problems requires collective action. The solution to any social problem does not reside in just any individual. It requires the majority to act in order to ameliorate the problem. It may necessitate institutional or community approaches. References Muhammad Akram, Sociology of Health, Rawat Publication, New Delhi, 2014. Multiple choice questions. The term disease means option is lack of knowledge, lack of ease or comfort, social problems, study of the sickness. The answer is B, lack of ease or comfort. The second one is according to dash disease is a social fact. Options is A functionalist, B structurist, C neo-modernist, D physicist. Answer is answer A functionalist. Question number 3. Sociology of disease discusses about health and illness in relation to dash. Option is A. Health institutions, B. Education institutions, C. Social institutions, D. Non-governmental institutions. Answer is C. Social institutions. Question number 4. From a sociological point of view, disease is considered as a social phenomenon according to dash. Option is Muhammad Akram, B. Michael Sheff, C. WHO, D. Cockerham and Ritchie. The answer is D. Cockerham and Ritchie. Question number 5. Social problems require dash. Option is cultural action, B. Behavioral action, C. Collective action, D. Role of action. The answer is C.